Bless you. And then I was like, wait, wait a minute, Shirley. How many times do I have to tell you? Cover your mouth with sneezing. Oh my god.